Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I will introduce myself. Uh, my name is Derajatun Ikhsanul Hakim, and number of uh, my students so is NPM is 22 60 22 sorry 22 6 5 90 and 10. I will explain a little. I will show the little explaining about the reasons and the answer of the questions. The question is about the method of day 5. Uh, so can be conscious, intentions, initial thinking, idealizations, and instruction sets, idealization. Relevance to muhasabah self and military spring mass applications and the reaction of the video of the Elon Musk react to artificial intelligence. So for the day 5, have 5 methods to help improve my character and my learning, my education, and my understanding about this material of numerical methods in this classroom when I learn by myself. So let's start with the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I will answering for muhasabah self. So in my class, when I confuse, in the class have a happy conversation. I have many problems in this class, many variety and complexity problems. Like maybe uh, the one example of my problem is optimization programs, optimize systems, uh, and how me arrange the problems and solve the problems. Right? The day 5, we have the methods 1, conscious. In conscious, you're aware this is the problem. You know, the problems is must to be clearly and must to be solved. And I understand very, very understand, and I very realize I have problem. My problem is I sometimes I lost my focus in my class when I heard very turbulence voice. So I make I realize this is my weakness for myself. So yeah, yeah. So the intention is about that. So the conscious of myself is I aware of my problems and I have a problem to optimize the programs. So let's next to the next steps. Intention. And in intention, I have back my problems to my God. Uh, I have done to God. I might make myself more close to God because I trust God have a best solutions to break every problem. Maybe problems of my character and problems of the theoretical problems like optimus system. So very hard problem is make me have a critical listen to make well-defined problems. So next, let's get to the next steps. Initial thinking. When I feel doubting in these problems, I feel emptiness to what idea have to be done to break the problems from the problems begins and the problems ends. So maybe we can do the have equation of optimizations like tan times is same like cos plus alpha z is a example of the equations to arrange the problem of the optimizations. Make this is more logically and clearly equations. So the next step is the idealizations. Idealizations, you make a simplified logical method and make the graphic or table make you more easier to read the problems more detail and more functions and more beneficials. So yeah, more make me more intelligent to solve the problems step by step. So and the last steps is instruction sets. Yeah, when you do it all stuff before and you make your character more attractive, you ask your friends to make the problems more clearly in talkative and and make your beneficial, so make you more understandable and solve the problems. So let's do to the two cases. In one cases is about muhasabah, and two cases uh is about military spring mass system applications. So in the first step, it's conscious I'm conscious because the spring mass application in military is very complex. It's a very theoretical scientific problem. So I next to the next steps is about intentions. My intentions like I've faced the problem. Make I can see us make the use notice or always notice the problems. Like you can have a suspension also to solve the problems because the God have a always have a God only always have a answer of every your problems. Solve it. So yeah, um, let's look at the next step is initial thinking. In initial thinking, you analyze in the first step, like intention and second step, is intention and conscious about problem of spring mass systems. Yeah, you can make a nice character from day five. You make the new idea and mind concepts to arrange the problem, like military spring mass system. Now, in idealizations and instruction sets, it have like a additional steps, yeah, has a given, and two step is the best and more interesting and more challenging to make your have a amazing answering the amazing reasons to break the problem about military spring mass. Like you make a range of spring and you relevance to military cases in the real life between theoretical and real life. So let's next to the case in the last case. Last problems is about oh yeah, we can give a the questions in initial thinking. Can give like example. You have a suspension, external force, mass damping, and spring constants like a variable. You can make a equation like B same as A uh, equal A is equal M. So first, second, and third problem. And for idealization, you can arrange your equations and make the solve the answers more solvable and solvable and more cozy and more relevant in this problem. And in instruction sets, you combine all the steps. The last equations we have in the you can use programming code methods. Like you can make equations G X same as OGE 45 degree and T-spans initial conditions. So T-spans equals initial conditions. Initial means conditions. So conclusions, you can find optimize another questions. Let's next to the last quick case or three case is about Elon Musk reaction about artificial intelligence. So you can look Elon Musk have amazing ideas to raise and solve about the artificial intelligence, how to work and how to benefit in life, and how to influence and make an amazing impact and effect on the other people. You can conscious your work AI is very helping. You can make an intention in your gut is AI just helping in maybe just any part, but don't all the part. You can make initial thinking AI have great solutions, great helping, and you can make a decision about how AI is beneficial for on mass and other people have it artificial intelligence like robots and systems. And the instruction set is all step all maybe the benefit of artificial intelligence to human being. Maybe the one example is our problems have amazing and beneficial idea. Thank you. It is for me. If I'm wrong, sorry, I'm just human. Yeah. Sadaqallahul azim. Let's finish with Alhamdulillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.